Hey, Dave here from the Triflex department to talk to you about a new innovation from igus, the SCARA cable management solution. Many of you may be operating with a SCARA robot but are having issues with cable management. igus was approached by a large manufacturer of SCARA robots and asked to come up with a solution. And this is what we've done. We've continued to use the standard PMA product that comes on any SCARA robot. But we did add our eRib product, which stabilizes the bend radius of the PMA and prevents it from moving laterally during motion. The other innovation that we've brought to the table is a rotating joint at both the moving or quill and ball screw end, as well as the fixed or rear end. The difference between the two, as you can see, is this one here has a long neck. This will attach to your quill end at either 16 millimeters, 20 millimeters, or 25 millimeters. And the length of the neck will change depending on how much plunge you're going to have during your motion. On the fixed end, we have a standard part with a 40 millimeter MPT hole. It comes with 2 nuts so you can secure it in place. We can provide the attachment point at the rear, or you can make it yourself. On screen, you'll see a video of these parts in action so you can better visualize how they're going to work. The latest innovation from igus for SCARA cable management is our cleanroom version. It is ISO Class 2. It utilizes our SKS20 eSkin product, which has a zipper design on each side, allowing you to open and close the product so you can insert and remove cables. It has the same basic principle of rotation at each joint that the standard SCARA cable management solution, with the differentiator being that it does have tighter joints and meets the ISO Class 2 certification. For more information on the standard or cleanroom version of the SCARA cable management solution, check out the links below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.